Good morning, William from Skyscape NI. So this is what we're pressure washing today. This wee area, as you can see, it's covered with stuff for the winter, and now we're going to get it spring ready. Cheers. So that is this area all brushed out now. I've had enough to start pressure washing from this. So we're going to do this monoblocked area. Plus we're going to soft wash this wall here. We're also going to pressure wash the capsule as well. And just generally tidy it up, ready to put the furniture back in place so as the customer can sit in the back for their family, enjoy it. One of the biggest challenges today is going to be drainage. This is the drainage here. As you can see, this is under the grills. So empty this out, and then if needs be, connect up the hoover, and depending on if the water builds up, we'll take it away with the hoover and carry on. Watch this space. So that's today's work all done. As you can see, it's come up really well. So this area has been pressure washed and then soft washed using a sodium hypochlorite based product. A turbo nozzle on the pressure washer, and then to finish off we soft wash the walls there. You might be able to see that bright white compared to the earlier video. So they're ready to paint for the summer. Nothing else has come up absolutely glorious. Beautiful.